Hello guys! If you also want to create consistent characters with different actions, then this tutorial will definitely help you create it. So let's start. Open any web browser and search for TensorArt. Click on the first website. This is an AI website that we're going to use to create our characters. Click on the Create button, then select Creation from the list. Here we have a prompt box. We have to add our image prompt. Full body. A African woman with beautiful big eyes, wearing an African plain white sundress, sitting down. African village as a background, Disney Pixar style. Copy this prompt and paste it into this box. In a negative prompt, add things that you don't want to see in the image. In Models, click on the basic model. Here we have multiple kinds of models. Click on the 3D category. Select Nuke Disney Pixar style. It will create an image in Disney Pixar style. Scroll down and select the aspect ratio: portrait, landscape, square, or custom. Select max batch per run from the list. Per batch will use 2 credits from the balance. If you choose 2 batches, then it will use 4 batches. After setting all this, click on the Generate button. It will start generating images. It might take some time to generate, so have some patience. So our first image has been created successfully. The image is very beautiful and the quality is also awesome. Click on this icon to download this image. Let's create another image with different actions. I have changed sitting down to running. Click on the Generate button. So our second image has also been created. Let's see final results. Click on the image. You can see image consistency. Face and dresses are the same. Let's create one more image with different body actions. Go back to the prompt box and change the body action of the character. I am changing my running action to clapping. After changing it, click on the Generate button. Finally, another image has been created. Let's see final results. Click on the image. You can notice consistency is the same for character. So guys, you can also create consistent characters like this. Make sure you always change action, not appearance, in the prompt. If it will only change its action, not its appearance, then your character's consistency will be the same. I hope this video will help you create characters with consistency. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel.